Straight Talk now offers eSIM technology, which stands for Embedded SIM. This digital solution eliminates the need for physical SIM cards and provides several key advantages. eSIM provides three main benefits: convenience with no physical card handling, flexibility to switch plans easily, and enhanced security since it cannot be physically removed from your device. Before activating your eSIM, you need two things. First, ensure your phone supports eSIM technology and is unlocked. And second, purchase an eSIM plan from Straight Talk's website. You'll need your device's IMEI number for activation. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About. Look for IMEI, which might be listed as Digital SIM IMEI or IMEI2. On Android devices, go to Settings, then About Phone or About Device. You'll find the IMEI information listed there. Now for the activation process. Go to Straight Talk's activation page and select Activate under Keep Your Own Phone or Tablet. Choose whether to keep your existing number or get a new one. Then select I want to use an eSIM and enter your device's IMEI number that you found earlier. Unlike some carriers, Straight Talk uses app-based or website activation rather than QR codes. After completing the activation process, restart your phone to finalize the setup. Your eSIM will then be ready to use. When activating your Straight Talk eSIM, you might encounter some common issues. Here's how to troubleshoot and resolve them effectively. First, verify that you entered the correct IMEI number for your device. This is crucial for proper eSIM activation and can be found in your phone's settings. Ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or an existing physical SIM card. This connection is essential for downloading the eSIM profile. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk customer service for assistance. They can provide a new activation code or help resolve technical issues. Now let's explore the key benefits that make Straight Talk eSIM an attractive choice for modern mobile users. Straight Talk eSIM offers several compelling advantages over traditional physical SIM cards. First, there's no need to handle tiny physical SIM cards. The eSIM is embedded directly in your device, eliminating the risk of losing or damaging a physical card. Many eSIM-compatible phones support dual SIM functionality, allowing you to use both an eSIM and physical SIM simultaneously. This is perfect for separating work and personal lines. eSIM technology provides enhanced security since the chip is embedded in your device. It cannot be easily removed if your phone is lost or stolen. Finally, Straight Talk combines the modern convenience of eSIM technology with their signature affordable plans, making advanced mobile technology accessible to everyone.